Yes, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes, my slides are visible.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Yes, this is what we disseminated at the end of the yesterday's session. That is gas seedle and gas elimination methods we dealt belongs to the relaxation method, where we considered the lambda value is equal to 1. Once the lambda value falls between 1 and 2, then that is usually called as an over relaxation, and if it is less than 1, that would be the under relaxation. And there are plenty of informations are available related to the development of these relaxation method, but due to time constraints, stick with the I am converge with the problems associated with the relaxation method here. Once time permits, you Google it and try to find these developments and these histories related to the relaxation. Now, what we are going to do along with these gas elimination parameters, gas elimination content, we are going to include an lambda value which will enhance, which may enhance the results, and which may reduce the number of iterations, and which may assist us to get the results as early with that of the gas seidel and gas Jacobi. And this is what the successive over relaxation method, and we were solved problem number 13, and now we will concentrate on problem number 14. You please make a note of this problem number 14, that is consider a linear system, that is Ax is equal to B, where the A is equal to a 3 cross 3 matrix and B is an column matrix, and the answers were calculated through the calculator. This is what the answer, that is 1, 2 and minus 1 using. You may also approach the problem with this way, so that you can find the results, and you can make a move towards getting this result. So this is what the given problem, and the first question, that is check that the SOR method value omega is equal to 1.25 of the relaxation parameter, which can be used to solve this system. So once it was given in the problem, it won't be any issue. Even it is not given, you consider the omega as 1.25. And based on our wish also, we can take within 1 to 2. So usually the authors, they are taking the omega or lambda value as 1.25. Here the second question is the compute the first iteration by the SOR method starting at the point x naught is equal to 0, 0, 0. So what we need to do, first we need to check with the condition. Here the condition of doing or continuing with the SOR method is the leading principal minus should be positive. What was that? We were discussed earlier. That is the first term. Just a minute. Yes, see, the first term should be positive, and the matrix of the 2 cross 2, first 2 cross 2 is also should be positive. Here we are having the first term as 3, and first 4 term, that is 3 minus 1 3, that becomes 8, that is also greater than 0. And concerning all the 3 cross 3, we are getting 3, here 9 minus 1 minus a minus plus 1, then here leaving the first row and middle column, here minus 3 plus 1 and plus 1, here minus of minus 1 1 and minus 3. So here 8, here minus 2, here minus 2, therefore 24 -2 and -2. So it is greater than 0. 20 we are getting 20. So the all principal leading principal minors are positive, and so it is a definite positive. In one particular some particular case, there will be two more questions related to positive definite. What should be the positive definite in the matrix? What are the conditions the matrix has to fulfill to be a part of positive definite? And along with that, here SOR has one more constraint. That is the matrix should be symmetric. Here see, matrix is a symmetric matrix. So with these two conditions, while satisfying with these two conditions, we can further proceed the problem. So this is what the problem. What we are going to do is, I'll yes. Yes, now it is visible. Is concerning today's class, the first five, you please unmute your mic and please stay with us till the end. Yes, first five. Amin Ismat, Molya, Anshu, Anuj Gupta, and Arvind Bosch. You please unmute your mic. You please stay with us till the end. Amin. Yes, Arvind Bosch. Okay, joined. Anuj. Is Anuj? Please respond me, Anuj. Anuj Gupta. Anshu, you please unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Molya.
Yes, sir.
Amin, Ismat. Amin. I think Amin not yet joined. Amin belongs to which class for me? Whether he belongs to
Section
A.
B. B
Section
section.
Belongs to this section, sir.
Section B representative is Sridristi, right?
No, sir, Sushma. Sushma is
Sushma,
there.
Sir.
Sushma,
Yes, sir.
once the class is over, you ask him
Okay,
to
sir.
make a call.
I will inform him, sir.
Yes, okay. Yes, you please take your calculator. You please take your calculator. We will continue. For the given matrix, we can consider here it was the interval was stated that the lambda value or omega value given as 0 to 2, but it should be 1 to 2. And we in the problem itself it was given as 1.25. So what we need to do, we need to first, as we did in Gauss, Jacobi, and Gauss Seidel, we kept the unknown in the left side, and the rest has to be on the RHS, right? The similar way, we here also we need to do in the same way. But along with that, we are going to include a new constant, whether it might be lambda or omega. Here I have given as omega. So with these, we need to include omega here also, omega along with these omega, and see here also a term is included, that is 1 minus omega into a. Here a is our the unknown, and what we are going to do, we are going to we are going to initialize with our iteration with 0. So therefore the first iteration we are going to take the a b c as 0, but the thing is along with this newer unknown, that is omega. So here it is k, and k once you got the a k plus 1, that is the first iteration value, then it has to be updated while calculating b. And since we were aware about the solution method of Gauss Seidel, where we did the same updation, and we were calculated b. Once the b is known, then these two values, that is a and b, has to be given as an input for calculating the c value. So this is what the thing. and along with the omega, the newer coefficient also has to be included, that is 1 minus omega into ak. In order to understand these things, here blindly I am disseminating the information, but behind the SOR method, it has some logics, it has some mysteries, and you try to go through it, and it will give you a very good idea about having these coefficients. So here we are going to compute the various unknowns with various k values, that is 0, 1, 2, and so on, and see A1, B1, and C1. Here 1 minus omega and the A0 plus omega by 3. Here minus 1, B and C. And I'm going to use these with a calculator. You please take your calculator, and you please take your calculator. I'll give you the information, and in the same way you proceed and try to find the answers. Aravind Bosch, you take the calculator and screen the share. Your share your screen so that
Sir,
I can.
yesterday class I didn't attend, sir. So I'm finding difficult to get this method.
Pardon.
So last class I didn't attend, sir.
Last
class I didn't attend. Yesterday's class.
No issues. I'll tell you what all the things has to be done. I'll tell you. You please take your calculator and exhibit on behalf of the camera. I'll tell you what all the input has to be given.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you take your calculator.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you open bracket.
Yes, sir.
1 minus. Okay, we can calculate. See, this is 1 minus at omega. 1 minus omega returns, that is omega value is 1.25. So we will get 0.25 minus 0.25, right? You
Yes.
clear the things with the calculator, Arvind.
Okay, sir.
You all clear, and again you start minus 0.25 into A.
Yes.
That is A. You give recall A plus.
Sir, how to get A?
Yes. See, this is what this. You first of all you fix your number of digit as 5, Arvind. Number of digit, it is feasible you to fix.
Sir,
See,
I'm not able to do, sir.
Yes. See, fix. Are you getting fix SCI and fix SCI and norm?
Sir, I couldn't see your screen, sir. It's not clear.
It is not clear. See?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear.
Still, sir, no.
Stop sharing, Arvind. Stop sharing. Yes, now check whether my calculator is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How to get that?
Yes, give one, type 1, and you will get 0 to 9.
No, sir, how to get that fix? Something.
Yes, wait, just a minute. You try to click on the mode. You try to click on the mode. By clicking first time, you will get this thing, that is
Yes, sir.
MP complex.
Yes.
Then second time return the SD, RGR, and
Yes,
gradient. And the third thing, that is equation, matrix, and VCT. Then again I am continuing, that is returning degree, radian and gradient, and
Yes,
I am
sir.
again clicking over the mode. It returns the fix and that is SCI and norm. So here click 1.
Yes, sir.
Now we are concerned about 5-digit. Give 5, and then you'll get this 5-digit 5 zeros.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now uh, uh, I'll parallelly I'll do once I am typing, the typing is over. At that time I'll request you to showcase on behalf of the camera. You please all you take your calculator and do the same thing. Then you can solve the problems in a easier way. You can solve the problem during examinations. So here
Yes.
you type for minus 0.25 and recall A. RCL will be there. Recall, you give, press RCL and give A. A means a smaller hyphen will be there. Just above the RCL, you give that button.
Yes, sir.
Then here based on which we are going to do, we are going based on this equation. Whether my slides are visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here again I am you please click on plus symbol
Yes, sir.
and give open bracket.
Yes, sir.
Here we need type our omega. Omega mean 0.25. So type 1.25 divided by 3. Then close bracket.
Yes, sir.
Again open bracket. Give recall D. Recall D. That is these constants are we are going to define with the D. D again plus recall V plus recall C. Close bracket. And these are we are going to depend with B, and these informations are we are going to feed with the aid of C. See,
Sir,
this is
I'm
what
still getting the A, sir. I'm not getting B. Recall B.
recall. You click over the RCL and give the comma. You'll get. See, this is the way. This is the way you have to type. See, I have started typing with minus 1.25a plus 1.25 divided by 3, and I am continuing with the D, B, and C. Understood? Completed. Whether you are completed, Arvind? Have you completed?
Sir, no, sir. When I press that recall again, it's again coming as A and not as B.
Okay, you do one thing. You do one shift RCL B. Give shift RCL B.
Shift. Sir.
Shift RCL B.
No, sir. Still.
Then the usage of calculator is very important. You share your screen, Arvind. I'll tell you.
Yes.
All 31, you please take your calculator and do the same thing which is disseminated by Arvind. Arvind, you share your screen, Arvind. Yes,
Sir.
show the calculator. Yes, 1.25. You delete the open bracket. You delete the open bracket. Yes, very good. Delete the open bracket and give 3.
3, sir.
You have given 1.25 divided by open bracket. Why you have given open bracket? You delete that open bracket, give 3.
Yes, sir.
You give close bracket.
Yes, sir.
Again give open bracket.
Yes, sir.
Now show the calculator. Yes, yes. Still you uplift. You please still you lift the calculator. Lift somewhat. Yes. Still lift. Not closer. Not closer. Yes. Now. Yes. Now. See here. I'll tell you. See here. This is what RCL button. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Button, and you plus this pointer and comma this button. You will get B. You do it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Yes.
Yes.
Now delete B, and instead B you use D. D is available in SIN, sin theta.
Yes, sir.
You give the RCL and give sin. You will get D.
Yes, sir.
Now give plus symbol. Now equal and B.
E, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, plus again give plus symbol.
Yes, sir.
Now give C, that is HYP. HYP is there.
Yes, sir.
Now give close bracket.
Yes, sir.
Show the calculator. Yes, this is what we need. Yes, there is an option called CALC. CALC. Here, you give CALC.
Yes, sir. It's asking the value of A.
Yes. Now refer the PPT. Yes, now refer the PPT. What is our A? Here, see, we have given A. Our A, the A is, this is what our A.
Yes, sir.
We have considered A naught, B naught, C naught as 0, so give 0. It is already 0, then no need to give equal to. Give
Yes, sir.
then it ask again, the calculator asks value of
D.
B or D.
D, sir.
D for doll.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, D. Here D is -1. -1.
Yes, sir.
Again it seeks B. B is 0.
Yes, sir.
C. Again it seeks for C. C is also 0. Considered 0. Then
Yes,
give
sir.
equal to. Then give equal to.
Yes, sir. Minus 0.41667.
Yes, this is what our A1 value. This is what our A1 value. Yes, now we will calculate the B value. Again, you give the equal to.
Yes, sir.
Again, it asks about B, A, right? Here, what is our A?
Yes.
Our A is B naught. Give 0.
Yes, sir.
Again, 6 for D. D is 7.
A1.
Now A1. Now instead
Minus
A1.
0.41.
Instead A1, what you can give? Give A answer. Answer button is there, right?
Yes, sir.
You click answer, then you give equal to that. That will automatically take the A1 value.
Yes, sir.
That 6C, right?
Yes, sir.
What is our C? C is also 0.
Minus 2.74306.
Yes, that is what our B1 value. Yes. Now you continue. Now A value is 0.
A value 0.
B value is minus, sorry, D is minus 7.
Minus, yes, sir.
Yes, our B value is A1. Here we don't have the answer. The answer is updated as B. So don't you please type the values, that is minus 0.41667 minus 0.41667. You then you give equal to
Yes, sir.
6C, right?
Yes, sir.
Now give answer. Now give answer. That is the B calculator will be taken as it was.
Yes, sir. Minus 1.94734, sir.
1 point.
Minus 1.94734, sir.
Just a minute. I'll check. I'll check. You someone you please check and either tell me whether this is what right.
Sir, no, sir. Answer is he's telling correct only, sir. Minus 1.94734, sir.
Yes, I'll write. You please. This is what the wrong data, right? Minus 1.9
4734.
734. Okay. Yes. 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 I think someone you. Yes. Thank you, Arvind. Someone you please turn on your camera and you continue the iteration. You please continue with the slides, Arvind. Thank you. Someone you please. Yes, we'll continue. Yes, this is the way you have to write the answers so that you can minimize your efforts. See here, I think this is what wrong. Minus 1.9. Tell me 94.
734.
734. Okay. 734. Now tell me the A2. Now tell me the A2 value. By continuing these things, we can find the results. Who answered? Who answered? Apart from Arvind, someone joined, right? Who answered? Siddharthan?
Sir, Dakshesh, sir.
Dakshesh, yes, tell me, Dakshesh. What is the answer for A2?
Sir, A2 you have to calculate again, sir.
Yes, you give equal to that, then that will 6A. Give
Yes,
the
sir.
value of A. That is,
Sir,
we
value.
got the.
Yes,
We
sir.
have already the A0 value. This is what A0. That is minus 0.41667. Then that
Yes,
I
sir.
asked about D.
Sir,
D is
A0
minus.
is, sir, A0 is minus 0.4166, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Minus 0.41667. Yes,
Yes,
this
sir.
is what our A0.
Yes, sir.
See, this is what related to A, this is what related to B, this is what related to C. When this is calculated, then this has to be given as input for calculating this one. So this is a better way of representing or doing the calculation. So I have written in the same way. So you can also do and copy in the similar way so that we can reduce our hectic.
Hello, sir. Bybit
Yes.
took W as 1.25, sir.
Why?
Bybit took the value of W is 1.25.
Yes, it is your liberation. You can take between 1 to 2. And concerning this particular problem, in the problem itself, they were stated that you need to consider the omega as 1.25. Your liberation, you can take between 1 and 2.
Okay, sir.
I think you joined late. I think so. Yes,
No,
tell me. I think Arvind, you continue and tell me the answer, Arvind. Arvind,
Sir,
Arvind, tell me the A2 value, Arvind.
yes, sir. I'll calculate, sir.
Yes. the A value is minus 0.41667. Then our D value is minus 1. Minus 1. Then our B value is 2.74305 give equal to, then the C value is minus 1.94734. I think, sir, that is a problem issue with the C1. Wait, I'll calculate the C1. Wait just a minute. 0 minus 1 0 and 0. Okay, and 0 7 answer 0. Okay, 0 minus 7 . See, the things what you did, I'll tell you. See here, dear gentlemen, Dakshesh and Arvind. See,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes. While calculating this A, what you did, you didn't consider this minus value, right? You consider along with this minus. We have to be very conscious with the sign, right? Then
Okay,
we
sir.
need to give the information as not minus, that is minus or minus plus, that is 0.41667. Then you will get the C1 as minus 1.660012. 1 you will get 1. This is what, right? Minus 1.606006011. Yes, check whether we're getting the value. This is what the problem with the online teaching. See,
Sir,
already.
yes, sir, it is
Yes. Okay, shall we
minus
continue?
1. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Now I am concerning about my A2. In order to calculate A2, I am giving the information that is A2. See here. Please follow, and my here it will becomes A1. Therefore, my A is minus 0.41667. Then it seeks D. This is what our D minus 1 our D. Then B our B is 2.74305. Then our C is minus. If it is minus, see here. You have to be very conscious. Here already we have minus. Then what you need to give? Dakesh, Arvind.
Have to give plus, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead minus 1.60012 you need to give 1.6 0012. Then you will get 1.49716. Positive, not in negative. This is not negative, this is positive. Okay, now I am again clicking over equal to that 6A. My A is my this is what our A 2.74305. Then my D is 7. My A1 is my answer. My C1 is my minus 1.60012. then you'll get 2.18800. Right, you're getting 2.1800, 18800.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I am trying to calculate
Sir.
yes, I am trying to calculate my C2. My A is here C naught. What is my C naught? That is C1 minus 1.60012. Yeah, again I am clicking equal to that 6. My D is minus 7. Now we have to be very conscious here minus A1. So here it is positive value. So you start with minus value minus 1.49715 equal to it's 6C. My C is my B1. The newer calculated B, that is 2.18802. You will get minus 2.22877. The thing is, it needs practice. Right, who is Amolya? Amolya, you share your screen and calculate the A3, B3 and C3. Amolya?
Yes, sir.
A3, B3 and C3.
Yes, sir. One.
You exhibit your calculator.
So is it visible?
Closer, little closer. Yes, very good, very good. Okay, now calculate the A3, B3, C3. You can stop sharing the screen, Amolya.
Okay.
Yes. Someone assist him. Give the informations. She will do. She will give the inputs. Someone, you please unmute your mic and Amolya, you seeks what all the data is essential. Amolya, you ask. Arvind, you tell me the data, Arvind. Where you are, Amolya? Where you are?
I'm finding the value of A3 is 1.0493.
Very good, very good. Now give equal to, and you ask the data. That is, it asks for A, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
B2.
2.188002. Arvind, you tell me the data. Arvind, then your calculator 6, the value of D.
D.
7. Arvind, what happened? I
Yes,
think
sir.
you are
Yes, sir.
sleeping.
Yes, sir. B
Yes.
is 1.
Then it's 6 for C, D, B. It's 6B. That is A has to be given. A calculated with 1.04937. Yes, continue, Arvind.
So it's asking for like A3, sir, here. Like B,
Yes,
but
yes, yes. Yes. 1.04937. Yes. Now give equal to that. Ask C. That is C value in the sense here B. 1.87825.
sir, C2, no, sir.
Yes.
Minus 2 point.
Sorry. C2. Sorry. C. 2 minus 2. 22878.
So 1.8782.
Yeah, something we are missing. Somewhere we did wrong. Yeah, again you tell me the results. I'll tell you where we did.
So what should I say?
You give equal to. You tell me the values. Somewhere we are calculating in a wrong way. We are calculating. What is your input for your A?
A here will be B2.
B2. Okay, 2.188002. Right.
Yes, sir.
Then your
Then
D is
7.
7. Okay, your B is 1.04937, right?
Yes, sir.
Your your C is minus 2.22878, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you give equal to
1.87825.
right. It is right. 1 point here it was written as 1.878. Very good. Then continue.
So C3.
Hmm. Calculate and tell me the results. Anshu, you calculate the fourth iteration results, Anshu.
Sir, sorry, but I have 82 MS calculator, not 99.
No, even it doesn't have a CALC option. You check whether it has CLC option.
No, sir, it does not have.
No
I
issues, no
tried.
issues. Anyway you practice and Aravind. Okay, we can request Amolya. Amolya, you continue and tell me the results.
So C3 is minus 2.014.
Very good. Fine, it is right. Continue the iteration and tell me the fourth iteration results.
So A4 is minus 0.94281.
94 minus or plus?
Sorry, plus 0.94281.
Very good. Initially, by doing these way, it will be very hard. Once we are very familiar with these mathematical calculation, then getting the results is very easy. Making you to understand via this platform, that is through team, is very hectic. Once you are in the class, then I can roam around the class and I can. It is very easy to teach. So you please have the 992 numbers or years and do it the practice with these mathematical calculations.
So B4 is 2.00075.
Very good.
Sir, I'm getting C4 as minus 1.97234.
Yes, of course, Amolya. Very good, Amolya. Very good. Yes, we can stop our iteration, and so our results is 1, 2, and minus 2. and this is what about the SOR, and is, see here, what we are going to do, we are going to we are depending some other coefficient for finding the results, and this is for your practice. You please make note of this problem number 15. This is what problem number 15, and as we solve this problem number 14. Yes, you please make a note of this problem, that is x1 is equal to x2 plus x3 minus 2 divided by 4, and x2 is equal to 45 minus 6x divided by 8, and x3 is equal to 80 plus 80 plus 5x1 divided by 12. And in the problem itself, they are advising us to take the lambda as 1.2. So don't worry about the lambda. If it is not given, it is our liberation. You take between 1 and 2. See here, the G is denoted as Gauss-Seidel. I think have you? This is what your results. See, this is what your result during third iteration. Anyway, you tell me the results during the subsequent class. Okay, this is what your problem number 15. You solve this problem for problem 15, and this is what your problem number 16. Practice this too. Practice this too. 3x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 1, and minus x1 plus 3x2 minus x3 is equal to 7. And no, this is what we were solved. No, this is what we were solved, our problem number 14. So don't worry about it, and you solve this alone, right? And we have completed our chapter unit 2, that is solution of linear system. A solution of linear system of equations, and beneath the direct method we have concentrated over Gauss elimination, Gauss Jordan, and LU decomposition and Thomas algorithm, and beneath the indirect method we have concentrated with Jacobi, Gauss Jacobi, Gauss-Seidel, and SOR method, that is modified Gauss-Seidel method, and how we can classify with the direct or indirect method. See, usually the linear system of equations can be solved with the aid of direct method, and the nonlinear problems can be solved with the aid of indirect method. See, tell me with these informations, that is this is what the linear, right? 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. And now tell me whether the example B belongs to linear or non-linear. Someone, you please unmute your mic and tell me whether this is linear or non-linear. Pi, we can give the value of pi. Okay, there won't be any hurdles with these B. Therefore, that is also linear. Here, see the example C. That is also linear. Here we have sine. So here we have on the RHS we have E2. Therefore, that is no. Here the sine pi by 2 has some values, and e power 2 also has some numbers. That is also linear. And see, this is non-linear. X, y. Here x is independent of y. In all the cases also it is dependent, but here x, y plus z is equal to 2, and see here not the first power, the order is very important. So here the order becomes 2 while considering along with the x and y. Here this is also non-linear because we have the exponential term. Here concerning d, it returns a number. When it returns a number, then that is considered, that seems as linear. In the same way for here g is when we are having x1, that returns some value. When we have one particular value, it returns one value. When we have considering x1 as some other value, that returns as a different value. So this seems a non-linear. That is trigonometric. We have varying trigonometric function. Here, see here, this is also non-linear, not the first power. So this is what the difference between direct and indirect method. So we were completed our chapter 2. In the tomorrow's lecture, we will continue with unit 3. Hopefully, I'll upload my our course plan today, and you can get the information later to the various CTs and assignments. And you plan for CT, dear representative, in the last semester, it is our liberation. It is the faculty's liberation to handle the various CTs. But this time, there are 2 days given, right?
Yes, sir. 3 days, sir.
3 days, sir. From September 6 to September 8.
8. You please have a conversation with all your friends and importantly with the faculties and decide one particular slot.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Do you have any doubts with today's lecture?
Sir, actually from section B, Anuj Gupta took PDS, sir. He's not in NMA.
Okay.
Anuj Gupta.
You have a conversation with Anuj Gupta and come up with the solution, Sushma.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Do you have any doubts? What was the subsequent class, Sushma? 12:30. 12:30. Sushma?
Forming class, sir.
Forming class. Okay. Forming class.
class.
Okay. Okay. We will wind up here because I have requested Pranav to have I have advised him to look at the things which is related to the Taliban. And Pranav, you please read. And in the tomorrow's class, we'll begin with the issues related to Afghanistan. Pranav, is it okay?
Yeah, okay, sir. Okay. Fine.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. We'll meet in the tomorrow's lecture 12:30.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.